D-MSS-DS-23 Dell Midrange Storage Solutions Design 2023 exam questions are available in the video for you to study. Which are benefits of choosing the highest capacity flash drives when designing a Dell Unity XT all-flash system? A. Enhances data security and system boot time. B. Lowers physical space power and cooling requirements. C. Decreases wear leveling, performance and redundancy requirements. D. Reduces maintenance and rebuild time. The answer is B. Choosing the highest capacity flash drives when designing a Dell Unity XT all-flash system can provide several benefits, including lower physical space, power and cooling requirements. Additionally, higher capacity drives can also improve system boot time, reduce maintenance and rebuild time, and decrease wear leveling, performance, and redundancy requirements. A Dell PowerStore 9000X came online after being initially configured 7 days ago. The manager UL shows capacity but no forecasting metrics. Why are forecasting metrics not being displayed? A. Forecasting was not turned on during configuration. B. The capacity forecasting license must be installed. C. There is not enough capacity in the appliance. D. Forecasting will not display until 16 days after initial configuration. The answer is D. Capacity forecasting requires the installation of a special license to display capacity forecasting metrics. If the license is not installed, then the forecasting metrics will not be displayed. A Dell Unity XT480F system ships with 2 embedded modules, one for each SP. What does the embedded module provide? A. A fiber channel connectivity. B. Field service only. C. CNA connectivity. D. Management. The answer is D. The embedded module in a Dell Unity XT480F system provides management functionality for the system, such as control of the storage array, monitoring of system health and performance, and management of storage resources. This embedded module allows you to manage the system through an intuitive web-based interface or via command line interface. A Dell EMC PowerStore customer plans to migrate storage volumes across appliances within a cluster. They want to use minimal effort to ensure that the appliance avoids reaching full capacity. Which method is recommended? A. Live migrate. B. Assisted migration. C. Resource balance. D. Volume placement. The answer is B. Assisted migration. In the background, the system periodically monitors storage resource utilization across the appliances. Migration recommendations are generated based on factors such as drive wear, appliance capacity, and health. If you accept a migration recommendation, a migration session gets automatically created. A customer wants to provision a file system while creating a NAS server in a Dell EMC PowerStore T system. What information is needed to create the NAS server? A. FQDN. B. Subnet. C. DNS details. D. WWPN. The answer is C. The NAS server DNS can be enabled on the next page. For directory services, DNS configuration is required. Add at least one DNS server for the domain. Which front-end protocol card in Dell Unity XT380 offloads processing to save CPU cycles for other operations? A. Fiber channel, B. CNA Fonchi, C. SAS, D. CNA for fiber channel. The answer is B. Converged Network Adapter for ISCSI is the front-end protocol card in Dell Unity XT380 that offloads processing to save CPU cycles for other operations. It enables the Unity XT380 to handle ISCSI traffic, which reduces the workload on the host server's CPU and improves overall system performance. How are vVolume data stores mounted in Dell EMC PowerStore storage during the creation of vVolume data stores in the vSphere environment shared by SG hosts? A. Volume groups, B. Storage containers, C. Storage groups, D. D-MSS data stores. The answer is B. A storage container is used to present vVolume storage from a PowerStore cluster to vSphere. vSphere mounts the storage container as a vVolume data store and makes it available for VM storage. When a PowerStore cluster is used to provide VM storage, user VMs should be provisioned on the vVolume data stores. The default storage container is mounted automatically on the nodes of the cluster. A database volume on a Dell PowerStore cluster has a protection policy that is applied with a single snapshot rule. The policy takes a snapshot every hour and retains them for 48 hours. The storage administrator must present a copy of the database volume to a test environment. Which action does the storage administrator take to meet this requirement? A. Restore the snapshot to a new test volume. B. Create a thin clone of the database volume and map it to the test host. C. Create a new snapshot policy for the test volume. D. Create a snapshot of the database volume and map it to the test host. The answer is B. A thin clone is a writable copy of a volume, which shares the same data blocks as the parent volume. This allows the administrator to provide a copy of the production database volume to the test environment without affecting the production data. It also allows to test the data without affecting the production data, and also it doesn't require additional storage space. What is a benefit of using a performance assessment tool? A. Retrieves workload metrics from all storage systems. B. Provides performance statistics in a structured Postgres database. C. Retrieves the performance archives using the Unity data collection. D. Provides automated performance statistics in chart and table format. The answer is D. A performance assessment tool is used to evaluate the performance of storage systems and provide statistics that can be used to identify and troubleshoot performance issues. One of the benefits of using a performance assessment tool is that it provides automated performance statistics in chart and table format, making it easy to understand performance metrics and identify any potential issues. This allows the user to quickly identify and address any bottlenecks in the system, and make adjustments to improve performance. In Dell EMC PowerStore storage, if the remote cluster has multiple appliances, then what automatically chooses the destination appliance for the resource? A. Performance policy. B. Resource balancer. C. Master appliance. D. Source array. The answer is B. From the PowerStore Administration Participant Guide, Resource Balancer also considers the following when placing volumes: whether the appliance is offline, appliance failure status, capacity utilization.